Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to Tangal Online School. Dear students, I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, we are lucky getting Holy Ramadan. In this month, we will try to purify and rectify ourselves. Dear students, okay, today I will discuss about tag question. Before discussing tag question, we had better know what is tag question. Tag question A tag question is a special construction in English grammar, especially tag question followed by mini question. That means short question. Dear students, we use tag question mainly to focus or to ask for information. So, dear students, in English grammar there are three type of question. Number one, W is question. Number two, yes no question. Number three, tag question. Dear students, W is question mainly which starts with W's word like that, where, how, when, and so on. And yes no question which starts with using auxiliary verb. So come to the main points. Tag question. Tag question is used at the end of the main sentence to know more information. Dear students, okay. Come to the main rules. Dear students, mainly I will discuss tag question for students class 9 or 10. It is very important for them. Dear students, I will discuss it from English second paper from class 9 and 10 students grammar book. Dear students, I will discuss tag question with general rules. It is very necessary for forming tag question. Number one, if tag question or mainly I want to discuss if main structure or main sentence or main statement is positive or affirmative, tag question must be negative. Dear students, if main sentence is affirmative, that question must be in positive, negative. Dear student, are you clear? I think you are clear. If main sentence is affirmative, that question must be negative. For example, he goes to school. That question will be doesn't he? Okay, dear student. Number two, if main sentence is negative, that question must be in positive. Okay, dear students, for example, he does not go to school. It will be does he. Okay, dear students. Number 2. If main sentence is negative, that question must be in positive. For example, he does not go to school. That question will be does he. Okay. Dear students, come to number 3. If there is auxiliary verb in main sentence, so at the time of forming that question we must use that auxiliary verb. For example, he is going to take class. Here in this sentence is the auxiliary verb, so we must use this auxiliary verb at the time of forming that question. Isn't he? Okay, dear students, number 3. If there is auxiliary verb in main sentence, that question must be made by that auxiliary verb. Number 4. If there is no auxiliary verb, in main sentence, if there is no auxiliary verb in main sentence, that question must be made according to tense. Like that, for example, he sleeps at night. Dear students, you will notice that in this sentence, sleeps is a main verb. It is not auxiliary verb. So, at the time of forming that question, we must use auxiliary verb according to tense. This sentence is simple sentence, so we must use does. Doesn't he? Dear students, it is very noticeable that if there is auxiliary verb in main sentence, that question will be must using that auxiliary verb, and if there is no auxiliary verb in main sentence, that question must be according to tense, simple tense, past tense, and so on. Dear students, okay, especially we must use, if there is no auxiliary verb in the sentence, does, do, and did. Dear students, number 3, number 5. Dear students, you must remember that at the time of forming tag question, we must use auxiliary verb and subject pronoun. For example, Hannah studying, Hannah studies more. So, dear students, you will notice that in this sentence, subject is a noun and verb is a main verb. So, at the time of forming that question, we must use pronoun instead of noun, and instead of main verb, we must use auxiliary verb according to tense. So, we must write doesn't she, Dear students, I will discuss number 6. At the time of forming tag question, we must notice that, and it is very noticeable for the students, and at the time of forming tag question, we must use short form of auxiliary verb, and it will be negative short form. So it is very important. And now I write for you. Long form short form, long form and short form. Cannot, it will be can't, the pronunciation will be can't. Shall not, it will be shan't, will not, it will be won't. Dear students, these 3 types of short form are very important, and these 3 types short form are exceptional in English grammar. Cannot will be can't, shall not will be shan't, will not will be won't. And like that, do not will be don't. Does not will be doesn't. Am not will be aren't. Are not will be also aren't. Is not will be isn't, and so on. Dear students, okay, I want to finish this class, and next day I will come back with main structure of that question, and I will discuss in details. As soon as, dear students, we will be happy, and yourself will keep in your home and ensure safe. Dear students, so I think you will be clear about these general rules following this video, and for this I would like to thank you who are watching this video at this moment. Dear students, Allah Hafiz.